Okay, so some people have mentioned that the brake levers are very stiff, straight out of the box for the 08, right? So, you know, they do find the brake levers a little bit stiff. Now, we'll teach you how to adjust the brake levers, right? So, you come down to the drum brakes at the rear of the wheel. Now, you see this little nut here? Okay, it could be over tightened during assembly. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to loosen it up, right?
So basically you turn it anti-clockwise.
Yeah, so you want to move, to loosen it up, you want to move the nut out, right? This spring should loosen up, and that would allow more slack. That will allow more slack on the levers here. Now, if you want to tighten it up, right? So we want to move the nut further in to compress the spring to give it more braking power. Okay, so this is how you compress it. Actually, you can just use your finger to tighten up, right? Clockwise. So this should, give your brakes more tension if your brakes are loose. If it's too loose, then you do it the other way to give it more tension. Alright, so this is how it's done. Now, if you still find it too tight, right, there is a third way, or there's another way to loosen it up. Okay, you see this spring here, right? This spring is a high tension spring, right? So what we'll do is actually we'll remove the spring from the mechanism, which we're not going to do now, right? Remove the spring, right? And what we want to do is we actually want to shorten the spring by cutting the spring, right? That would actually relieve a lot of the tension, especially for ladies who have mentioned that the brake levers are a little bit too tight, right? So here are some tips for you guys to adjust your brakes for the 08. Ciao.